Growing speculation suggests the top contender in the new Patriotic Party's flag-bearer race could break ranks and run as an independent in the next general elections. Meanwhile, party insiders have dismissed the claims, but rising tensions are keeping the rumors alive. Tonight, we engage key figures within the bloc to determine whether such a move is truly in the making. Plus, if you recall, on Wednesday, I told, listeners and viewers that there's a huge speculation. Of course, the rumor mill is speculating that one among the contenders in the very NPP elections held a couple of weeks ago, one, among the contenders is considering to, as it were, to go independent. That's one. Two, the rumor mill also says what? The elected flag bearer, who is Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia, will not lead the party, although he's the elected flag bearer. But the build-up of this, speculation or rumor is that seeking to suggest so. It's not me. Okay? Not me. That's what the rumor mill flies. So the question, why the party has elected someone, he's to, lead the party to glory. And now the rumors are building that he will no longer lead the party. Does that make sense? I don't know. And three, he's not going to take the party to glory. And, the rumor again speculates on another angle, quite a twist and turn, the zigzag. And it ends by saying that the man who if you like, the axe is falling on his head would, lead the party to glory. But at the same time, they are building the rumor also to suggest that that same person is also going, independent. Things are not adding up. Do you understand this? One, Bawumia will not lead a party. Two, somebody is going on, independent ticket. Three, that same person would also lead the party 2028. I don't get it. This is the dichotomy, the zigzag, and we don't seem to get our way clearer. Okay, so if we are not getting our way clearer, what do we do? Can we get the insiders, to come and explain things to us well? What do you mean by this? What do you mean by that? But again, let me nail it. The political household where this rumor is building, many of you do know. And so we decided to get one of the big shots within that block come and explain to us why all of these three positions seems right, or is what is going to be expected in the final analysis as we geared up toward election 2028, which is just around the corner. We are in February. February is just ending in the next couple of days, and then February, April, May, June, 2026 will be gone. 2026 is gone. We are left with 2027. 2027 is a year for what? For campaign. And we are going for the election. We are electing the president 2028. You can't do campaign 2028. So all of them are left with this year and next year. So they are all the parties. Now the NDC perhaps is grasping or still waiting to elect a flag bearer. We don't know who is coming. If the NDC we will not be bothered, they should come and take me as a flag bearer. What do you think? Yes, Kweku. I'm the flag bearer. I'm going to lead the NDC. Yes, as the flag bearer of after John Mahama, I would lead the NDC, even though I don't have NDC card. For the NPP, they've elected, I don't know, CPP out. PNC out and the rest. But if the NDC one, they should come for me. I'll lead the party. Yes, 2028. Ghanaians, won't you vote for me? You vote for me, right? Yes. So the NDC is about to elect their flag bearer. Then we're set to compare. And that's where we are going to see all the policy framework. Okay, when I come, I will do this, me too, I will do that. And then we sit down to analyze. We put, the spectacles and analyze whose policies should we allow to fruition. And that's all there is to. So tonight, we are going to speak to somebody within that block. Why the build up to all of this speculation galore? We'll get all the answers for you. I'm telling you. I'm even learning that there is what do you call it? There is a political movement, they describe it as the base. I've heard the names behind the base and all of those things, but again, I do not want to give life to the base. Let the people themselves come and speak to it and give a life to it, give meaning. God. So tonight, that speculation, we'll put the speculation to rest tonight. Of course, it's growing. That speculation control. Say, Penibia or Kaho or contest, or Beko independence, and at the same time, room also say, on was the departing in Nimkai, any wonky count. In Penifobia or more party in Monswatins and Mayor Mahamati, almost in Peninfo and Sonia Mano. Sene beya history and repeat itself. No more cancer, no more adrenaline. And maybe I can say, minim why NPP form person make come abakwasemo, but or more abakwasem. Before party in the Bayer NPP no, dear otchere party no, and I say, na party is seen his shoulders no. Dr. Kofi Abrefa Buzia. Ono no de party ni free 1969. 3 years after the overthrow of Nkrumah in 1966. In 1969, any Twaba, any Buzia, or did the Progress Party or the Baye. Or the Baye no, Akufo Addo, Nanu Mukwe, ne papa. It was there Ghana initiated yet another political transition. Say, ye engage the Prime Minister presidency kind of. So Buzia became the Prime Minister. Akufo Addo papa ye friend Edward Akufi also be the president. Enti ye didimu a ene yetu omugu ye. Yetu omugu ye na Progress Party na ekọ ne baby. Womuko no the party again metamorphosed into another political organization called what? The People's Front Party, PFP. Led by one another political stalwart, your friend is saying, Victor Owusu. Victor Owusu, I guess, is an Ashanti friends, Agona, or sort of, I guess I'm right. Yeah. On an OD party in him. So, around that time, is we more prepare, and also, we must say about elections in 1979. Ebra Progress Party, no, we more ya hobwa, no mabano. Then, another group of, kind of simple. Now, party as a metamorphosis from Progress Party, Ebedru, the People's Front Party, PFP. Right there, no more bomb about 79. Then there was another what? Strong political conflagration that resulted in a political disintegration. Also, then they see party Musu signed Chemi, Then a group called themselves UNC. UNC, was also led by Wayne Pauli and then a cousin Ofori Atta. So one of the steps of the party we move river. Also we move beche. So Pauli and a cousin Ofori Atta te womo. And omo form UNC. Omo form UNC na 79 abane ye nkonkoto no. Ye koya kodrum pempenso bi a na kire se the aye ne se ye beto abai. Enye enche mumba kan ye ho back omo so yema. So no hwedin yo. Sa Pauli ne cousin Ofori Atta wo masefo ene na Akufo Addo. gabby asare darko Ken Ofori Atta nena na Asante Bediatuo num ipa bonifo bi anu omo nse ohun kwan omo de NPP abefa so this time around yeah NPP ahwe ase nyane bonini nsamoni na Pauli ene ne cousin Ofori Atta no masefo na abe NPP sa no yeah won baby omo de ni omo free ba yes enti ye call first round 79 abano tied up na see break up enti the end say PFP, the People's Front Party, called the UNC for some mumra back. Every two for some mumra. The late Alhaji Azuma Banda was made to play a move to speak to the UNC for some mumma. Rather, they should go and join Liman Party, the PNP, the People's National Party. Yes. A little brief history about Liman. Liman at the time was a career diplomat. Liman didn't understand the political dynamics. He didn't even know what was going on. On the ones who did PNP for party in Keke. Okay? And see, a 2 years no. The CEO parties Makumako saying the Action Congress Party by Benasco from Western Region ebe contest here. In the area when you are saying on your 10 seats. Then UNC for one air central moko join mother party no mo the win no. One kasa no. A deal on my bro, a sign deal on mother party na bro. One can say 13 seats. Then the PFP Nankasa led by Vito Owusu no munya saying 42. Then Liman Enya saying 71 out of the entire 140 parliamentary seats, and Liman won. And you see Liman Castle Honakosha also Koshewa. Liman at a point was behaving as if normalcy had been restored fully. So there were several intelligence reports for Liman. Say, you're careful because at that time, the AFRC, the Armed Forces Revolutionary Council, led by Rawlings, were returning to barracks, but they were watching the Liman government closely. Do what Liman or the Faha no the Raha. Liman was acting as if normalcy had been restored fully. That's 1. 2. Liman insulated his entire cabinet from the leadership of the AFRC. 3. Liman refused to adhere to the views and opinions of the rival political groupings. Who does that? Number 4. Liman could not secure the domestic international support required to summon the daunting economic challenges inherited from the past. The AFRC were watching Liman closely. Say, Akwawi. You see, Obika said Rawlings was somebody are not unpaid democracy. Sani but onim history na work. Rawlings started as a dictator, why not? And ended as a democrat. Mo constitution who showed an agenda. Mo constitution what? Munya so-called intellectual presidents or Maba, all of them have failed to amend and do what is right. Mumi some say omo tia a person say John Mahama say oye bibi na kwa mu de ku wi say. All right? For me, why? Even the advanced democracy square A2 abengu. How much more? And a Rawlings to friends say Liman abengu here, Kweku baku daya sun de san am say my friend, jawasem yenwe. All right? Liman on one of course on one trouble. Once the AFRC were sitting back and watching, they were expecting say Liman deliver. There were several intelligence reports. Liman avanya here. Kokonsi jatuo here. Later, Liman has been booted out, and he was there saying what? He had come to power with the pledge to recover the economic viabilities and social fulfillment. But 2 years was in power, the country was plunged into chaos. Once more, the people looked with uncertain hope to a dark and a threatening future. Any gun and there. All right? If we baby ni bawo. But then again, bisa who said, DNT. And I'm a constitution means sign. It was NPP for more. The historical antecedents of NPP cannot be altered. Woman mudi womunya no maso no sell. It will must sell 15079 is history part of pen on Makada. It's a non rumor building is there. Obi person will break your winners on I partner as to whether that is whatever and now tonight as we wait for clarity on whether any breakaway is imminent within the New Patriotic Party, We consider comments also made by one of the allies of the third contender, who stated categorically that during the party's time in government, he could not think of a more sensible person in cabinet than Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia, who said this and why. Nti won say akeka say yawo no mo say wo mo no mo yom ho basabasa na nuen wo mo kwakoyi party no obi ma na di o manim no hwensem bi say no mo keka go abonte ho na mo keka wie any some journalists like us yen institutional, we have institutional memory near betintam bits and pieces near the children's and money na mo near Ghana for say Ghana for mo hwe we na mo say we no to abama mo ebe ya no be trying Kweku Annan is always want to be mischief. Kweku Annan hates Bawumia no be di Kweku Annan terms why me na make kan answer na nua o hwensem bi am wankasa mo kukentia mo a supporter of the third contender third person no one enye Bawumia hwe Bawumia supporter bi asem bi an worker say ono de bra no mo abem no cabinet wono sebi we hunyans Otto Sebio, but then question is what to say in be here then. What do you matemi wi? Ana say nyanseni bi enu ana na adwumu dot say ora Bawumia ni ti ran say me die bi. Really? Yen hwe sa asem no a contender ne supporter no or catch the rest of the candidates. Take a listen to this.
Every say me ma Agyapong prempe me say cabinet say enfie so and fa edu ba bi kra de na o hwe bia na the policy ba akoko parliament cabinet o after me ko ya no for mo breme me hu nyansafo a o cabinet wa sebi na na dwimu do cho Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia every say me ma Agyapong prempe me say cabinet say enfie so and fa edu ba bi kra de na o hwe bia na the policy ba akoko parliament cabinet o after me ko ya no for mo breme me hu nyansafo a o cabinet wa sebi na na dwimu do cho Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia every say me ma Agyapong prempe me say
I didn't feel back away sebi no to any nyahwe sebi no to any nyahwe but he had answers to his comments. Obi be yi na no. Why ne be yi na no? Listen to this. Take a listen.
And then Ramite say me bra penny NAPO or say or betina cabinet dem hono. Well who nyansafo bia say yera Bawumia na me tie sa kasa no. Na me si me tiase na me bompaye se onyankopon maye nkosoa maye akoma esani se ye penkabom ewo ya manyokuo mu ti onkosoa na onye den o maye akoma no na nsem saa no ye montra na yentimi enkoyenim.
So the fundamental question to this, would you again suggest or perhaps to figure say Sasemoya or kind if you be a Trimwana, even though Ora Bawumia was seen last weekend, you know, with a clearing call, forget about this and then whatever, you know, we've done to each other and then won't come. But the fundamental question, do you think some of these assertive statement way is gone from their heads? Matthew Opoku Prempe later clarified his remarks, but the question remains whether his opponents would accept the clarification. Enemy bisana. Say clarification or the ban, ye beja to misana yenyintu. Yentino. Take a listen to him.
Dr. Brian Agyapong. Brian Agyapong.
The first time I was cabinet minister 4 years ago.
Okay.
Over 2 years, you never cabinet.
Okay.
Back on
Dr. Duchu.
Was the first time I was cabinet minister 4 years ago.
Okay.
Me, my book prepare me survey cabinet 7.5 years.
Of course.
Me new mom person my back cabinet in Juma. Nobody comes anywhere near Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia.
Okay.
To the extent say me decided say me contested presidency that so me contest here.
Okay. So Dr. Matthew Pogu Prempe decided say Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia wo mu dia
me contested.
Uncontested.
Because ye peubia na dwemu do amongst us no akodi anima because I'm on your 7 year now. Nobody counts near him.
Okay. So based on experience. Based on experience.
Obi a couple of 4 years wa fa me wo ba kokra mam ya ndi ntunda.
Among omo ko bibi.
Me see obi wo ho a.
Omu ba.
Obi se be narrow.
Oh, de mengo.
Okay.
Mengo sa.
Obi je bi da. Na me ti o na ma hwa akoya. Also on the baby. Debbie, na me that Debbie. Eti o share. And o share relevance to governance.
Okay.
Omo mu ho ni nyina. E for the no mo bi ba ya. E bi si da. Vice President bi akra nyi bi da. Who said ne said me nyanu NDC for kan the one economy na ya ye mo Vice President bi ade.
Debbie.
What's the budget? Yes. Who's the NPP for 88 can say economy?
Yeah.
Can say Vice President must go. Yes, why they go?
Ken must go.
It's a next week because Vice President go economy now. If I could that, it didn't know Casa. What's the end?
Sure.
Just say, Oba be church mukrampono. Say, Opoku Prempe one church mukranchen so here. So on. Share politics na moyo. Na media ade bia seven previous and we need a ho. Otiase winnim you are clear about it. Na wa shadaba be raw edi guabot. Intina me Kweku Annan say more politics me ntimi nye bi dan asase me free so. Aha. Debi o because me sunsun ene me kra ene say adwuma ne eniehye. Intina politicians me ni sunsun echiri wo mo no. Me kan kra kire mo. Me pa ahemfo no say me embrace our chiefs than say me embrace your politicians. Me kan kra kire mo. Your politicians are like your what? Your prophets if no mgu Ghana. Ti no mumie no su kabom because omu na ye adadafo ya turofo ye boniyefo no moja. Omu nye ni papa o. No. Politician, how? DNT. No. Mo be ya die tiam ho. Na mu wia masia be bram so say oh ena ya na ye nti wo de nya hwe o twa so fache ye say se na Bawumia kana da mo mfa nche ye Bawumia we sure but the bra na mo tia ben mu no na ye kasa kire mu o politician ben power Ghana na Ghana ni betimi aka chem say wo mo asobrewa ye kase mo mutie politicians o Ghana kama mintie NDC and NPP no way ebi ni ho ahomo maso eye omo de ben omo signature wo apri ni tumidie ni bonini samone eye omo tenabia nti omo as long as omo tia bem nko ano omo eko wo sa kwan ni so omo kodi sam omo ye de omo ye no wo ka omo ntie unim na de ba kon so bebre mu nim nso nie gauge space no it is only the time when we free power no ma opposition and omo nyansa ye adwuma that's where they are able to speak sense, they're able to speak wisdom, they're able to speak something that will touch you, they're able to what? Come closer and touch your consciousness. Me na me catch you. Me say the only time when politicians in this country ebe kanyan say some no more opposition. But some more abemu pa. No, it doesn't happen. You see? So on the heels of this, no. Show. On hini believe say nti Akufo Addo all no onfa domina ne domina no form nko because we believe say ora Bawumia nti na party ni moye hunte mentime ho ase obi ntiase enyeye ene nsem bebre so muti ase sa na omode 8 years Bawumia 8 years no choka Akufo Addo no mokoya and then they set out a new breed but sa no hini bi catch rom and I want it. Take a listen to this or anyway, listen to him.
Yes, your man penny mechanical see official be here. Bitch I support you make say. Oh man penny say one more only one bar a bear muhono. Oh yeah, one the woman in a be yajuma, not only one asa in Yako. Nebra nebreboso. Lanka breason ya to abewi breba so me yetwa aba foforo sisi ade edin wasen edin yetwa Afriyie na se wo nana adeda nkwa Akufo Addo wo se wo mu a odi wo mu baaye no wo di won ye adwuma wo kwa odi wo mu akọ aya dia na Bawumia de onko bi Bawumia so wo na wo de ne baayo
eno hene kan omususu se ento wo kona so tam ne Bawumia na odo muko.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.